Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial video. Today we are going to teach you a new scalping trading strategy that is the secret of companies. I always explain in a simple way so that even the most beginners can understand. I consider this strategy to be one of the most powerful and accurate strategies, but in my opinion, I consider win rate to be 100% because it never engages you in false and insignificant signals. Friends, subscribe to the channel before starting the training and activate the notification bell, so that you do not miss the new videos. To support us and show more of this video, be sure to like it and write at least one short comment if possible. Well, every strategy needs indicators and a series of important tips and adjustments to minimize the amount of mistakes. We have considered everything, but you should see the full tutorial because I say and do in every part that you may miss. I have just opened positions in the raw mode that are really profitable. Finally, I will tell you how to trade this strategy live. According to price action, we set up stop loss and target. We bring the CCI indicator to the chart for a brief overview. Well, the indicator was added to the chart, now we make adjustments. At the top, we go to the Style tab to make settings in this section with your help. Enter 110. Be careful to enter -110 for the next option. We change both options from dotted line to line shape. Now we make the first option red and the second option green. Well, the changes have been made. Now I will say exactly how it works, but you still need to add another indicator. We will do this later. The blue line is the line with which we can predict the price. The blue line breaks the red line upwards, and as you can see, the price has risen. Let's open a long position to see how much profit has been made here. I do not think a 7% profit in a long spot position is bad. When placing stop loss and price action style, please be careful so that the least mistakes in transactions occur. A bearish trend and finally the blue line breaks the red line downwards and a fall occurs. This strategy works well in 4 time frames. 1 minute and 5 minutes and 15 minutes and 30 minutes. And it can be used in any financial market, it does not matter. Forex, cryptocurrencies and stocks work for everyone. Well, to start, put the candlesticks on heikin ashi. Well, I test this strategy very quickly on different time frames, so the speed of the video multiplies. But when I open the position, you also pay attention to the failures of the blue line to understand it well. Well, the strategy performed well in different time frames. Let's go back to the Ethereum chart and time frame for 15 minutes. Now, from 0 to 100, we will fully implement this strategy together. First, the candlesticks are in the normal position, which we put on the heikin ashi. Now it is the turn of the indicators. Add heikin ashi smoothed buy sell only to chart. Well, we see the buy and sell signals that appeared, but I make important adjustments so that the signals appear immediately after confirmation, not so late that everything is over. The length of the EMA is 50 by default, but you change it to 20. Well, apply the changes by clicking the OK button. Now we see that the signals appear immediately after confirmation. Well, let's go back to the indicators section and add the second indicator, which is responsible for confirming our signals, to the attractive Ethereum chart. Add the commodity channel index to the chart. Open the commodity channel index settings. Its length is set to 20 by default, but we change it to 40. Now go to the style section and apply the appearance settings as before. We changed the number of the first part 110 and the second part minus 110. Now we change the dotted line to the line. We changed the color of the first part to red and the color of the second part to green. Add CCI color to something that is clear and make it a little bigger so you don't make mistakes in trading. Well, the strategy is complete. In this part we see that immediately after confirmation, the signal is sold in after the fall. It is amazing. If the CCI line breaks the red line or the green line up or down, the price will be exactly the same. You just pay attention to my positions now. I'll be back. In situations where the price does not fluctuate and is fixed, no signal is approved and all signals are false or insignificant. Well, at the beginning of the video, I said that I will tell you how to make a live transaction. See, now CCI is exactly on the line. We have to wait until this sell signal is confirmed or not. So according to this signal and price action, I will open a short position, but to increase the excitement of this position, I intend to place the target on the long shadows of the candlesticks. It is definitely ambitious and we will probably not hit the target. If I succeed, give me a like and subscribe as a gift because I really worked hard. Well, our target was touched. I think it should come as no surprise because all the strategies on my channel all have 100% win rate performance. So in order not to miss my very profitable videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. I am with you every week with new trading strategies that are not found anywhere. Target May was also touched. Now it is your turn to surprise our team. So we are waiting for your likes, comments and subscriptions. Friends, in the following, you will be offered 2 more videos from the Wiki Trading Strategy channel, in which you can choose one of your choice and learn another trading strategy, and you can also subscribe to it by clicking on the logo. Goodbye to another profitable trading strategy video.